Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you along on my DIY for my sister's gift for her baby shower. That one. I've been saying bridal shower, I have no idea why. But I am making her a baby play gym. She likes the natural look, so I'm gonna keep it as natural as possible and as simple as possible because I have to set this up when I get there. She lives in Texas, I live in Charleston. I have to fly there for her bridal, there I go again, her baby shower. Her baby shower and her gender reveal. So let's get into the video, you guys. First thing I did was I went to Home Depot and grabbed I think it's an inch or 3/4 inch dowel. I'll have to double check. I ended up having one here, so I returned the one to Home Depot. And then I also grabbed another 1x2 select pine board, and I had this one just kind of laying around, so I'll use this one first, and then I'll work my way to this guy. The legs are gonna be about 24 inches, and then I plan on doing either a 20 to a 23 degree cut on the bottom. That way they will all lay nice and flat on the ground, and I won't have to worry about it looking weird. All the cuts, these are all the 1x2s and they are only 24 inches long. You're gonna need 4 of them. It's like the duck face back in 2012. Ready? Peace. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Went ahead and just did the 20-degree cuts on all the bottoms. That way these sit really nice and flush on the ground as opposed to just kind of, you know, having one end stick out. I gave everything a quick sanding with 120 and then I finished off with 320. That way it has that really nice, clean, smooth finish. I decided to stay with the poplar dowel instead of going and getting a $5 pine dowel. Why not save $5 and it really doesn't look too horrible. I think it'll look great. So we're gonna stick with it. 1-inch dowel, gonna drill a 1-inch hole in all of these guys. And then we'll put the dowel in and then we'll secure it, and that'll pretty much be it. Just finished up drilling the holes. I went 2 inches down. I used a 1-inch Forstner bit because that is the size of the dowel. And make sure you have something up against the back when you're drilling those holes. That way you don't rip out all of the back half of your wood. Or if you want to be extra careful, you can drill halfway through, flip it over, and drill all the way through that way. But I just like to clamp it up like you saw on a flat board. And also I do that because I am not the best at drilling a straight hole. I went the good old-fashioned way, the drill and the Forstner bit. So let's see how this works, you guys. I hope you can see me way back here and hear me. I put 1/2 on, so this is it. The legs are pretty tight. Oops, other way. The legs are, you hear that? They're very tight against the dowel, which is what I want, so that way these legs do not shift on the dowel when it's all put together. So it's a very tight squeeze. I will still be pushing this through more, but I just kind of want to see, make sure everything's level once I put the other set of legs on. So let's put the other set of legs on. Also, make sure you're putting them on the same way you're putting these ones on. Smart. Might have to sand this guy, it's a little bit too tight. We are at the finish line, you guys. The legs have been secured, one side of them, the other side not yet, so we can put the little baby gym sensory items on. I just bought these on Amazon. I'll link them below. I am not the best with whittling nice, cute little wooden items as of yet, but I thought they were very cute because they're neutral, and there's a couple of them, and there's like a little bell on one. I thought it was super cute too, so I'll put these on and I'll show you guys a close-up of how it all looks together. Let's put these bad boys on. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Very, very cute. I love it. Wow. All right, I'll show you the close-up. What I'm doing now is I'm going to measure down 12 inches from the top on each of the boards. That way I can drill a hole through them and secure a rope between both legs. That way they won't expand further than what the rope is. Alright you guys, that's going to wrap up this DIY play gym that I made for my sister. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and then subscribe to the channel so you're not missing more cool videos with me. If you have any questions, concerns, hit it up in the comments below. And guess what guys? Catch you in my next one. Bye!